What's up, everybody? Good morning from Thailand. That is where I currently am today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to create passive income online, or how to start making passive income online, even if you are new to online marketing, or you're just getting started, or maybe you have some internet marketing experience and you really want to start focusing on that passive income, because really we can promote different products as an affiliate, or even like with e-commerce we could sell different things online. But the key to having sustainable monthly income is to have passive income and reoccurring income. So I'm just going to give a few tips in this video on how I'm doing it and the steps that I took to start doing it. And so step number one was I started to build my audience, and I chose 2 platforms to do that. And what does that mean, to build an audience? That means to start putting out content and picking a niche, start putting out valuable content that people need to solve everyday problems. So for YouTube, I put out content on income, like money, how to make money online. So that's my niche, is how to make money online. So on my YouTube channel, I'm putting out videos on tips on how to make money online, strategies people can use, and stuff like that. And on my Instagram, it's a little bit different, because I am a digital nomad and I travel the world. And so what I do on Instagram is I provide value in the form of uploading my pictures, because I think I take pretty nice pictures of my travels and stuff like that. So I, take pictures, edit them really nicely, upload them to Instagram. And so on Instagram, it's, it's a travel, more so a travel brand. And I also attract people that want to work remote, because it's like, get paid while traveling and stuff like that. So, sorry for that. So that's what I do. I do YouTube, and I use my Instagram to promote my audiences, to build my audiences. So that's number one, is build an audience and pick one platform to start building it on. You could pick YouTube, which I highly recommend. No matter what business you're in, you have to start building up your YouTube channel, okay? And then, so pick YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, whatever it is. So do that. And then the second thing you need to do is, after you've started building up your audience and giving value, you need to start collecting leads to your business. And one good way to do that is in the videos that you give value, start creating lead magnets. So if you have links in the descriptions of your content, your videos, links in the description of your Instagram accounts, put the links to a lead magnet. So what that means is you'll have a link where someone can subscribe to your email list, but you have to offer something really good in order for people to give their information. So that's how it works. So you want to offer a nice ebook that really does give really good advice for free. You want to offer free training, a free webinar, whatever it is, so that you can start collecting those leads in your niche, in your market. All right. So then once you start building up your email list, the one thing that you want to do is start promoting, to make passive income, that is to start promoting a product. It'll most likely be digital. Sometimes it doesn't have to be digital. It could be, if you're in the health and fitness niche, it could be physical products where they have, you're promoting a product that has a reoccurring monthly subscription, which means you would get a reoccurring monthly commission. So to me, that is the key to making passive income online, is promoting a product that has a reoccurring monthly commission structure. So when people purchase a product where they have to pay a certain amount every month, and if they sign up to get that product with your link, then you get that commission. Now, it may only be a small commission. So let's say the product costs them, let's say $49 a month, and you get like 30% of that commission. What's 30% of 50? What is that? 15, $20? So, but the more people you get to sign up under your link, you'll number one, get that tool or that product paid for. So because you have people sign up under you, so you don't have to pay, it's not completely coming out of your pocket to use that product. So, but then once more people start to buy that product and under your link, then you start to make profit from it. So I'll give you an example. Right now I am using a funnel building system. It's an all-in-one system where, it has email marketing, it has sales funnel building capability, it has, what else does it have? Oh, you can create membership sites on it, you can create digital products. So that is a product that I promote heavily because one, I need it in my business, for everything, for email marketing, sales funnels. I need it to run my online business. And so what I do is I promote that because I get a 30% commission from promoting that every time somebody signs up under my link. So not only is using that product free to me because people are buying under my link and I'm getting commission from them every single month, but I'm also getting profit from it. So like if I have 10 members, let's say, buying this product from me, for this system that I use, that's an easy, $400 a month, just under $400 a month that I'm getting, and it's easy because I promote this with any type of video that I produce. So it's like if I'm giving advice and making a video on email marketing strategies or how to build a sales funnel, I'm saying, hey, well, this is the system I use to build the funnel or how I do my email marketing, and I just leave the link below on my video and people can sign up through my link. Because the cool thing about affiliate marketing and promoting stuff online, digital products, is when people click on your link, it's cookied into their computer. And that means even if they visit the website later, it'll automatically go to your link because it's already been cookied in their browser and it's coded to you. So that's the beautiful thing. So that's my advice to you guys is on how to start making passive income online is, yes, keep promoting those high ticket products, the low ticket products, and even your own product, but promote a product that gives you reoccurring monthly commission so that it's predictable, so that you already have X amount coming into your bank account every month. And the other thing, after that, once you start have a product where you can promote and get reoccurring monthly commissions, create your own product where you charge people, $37 a month to use your product. So have your own product where you charge a monthly fee to have people, learn from your content. So you can create that with, a sales funnel building system. They usually have an area where you can create your own membership site. So charge a monthly fee for people to use your membership site and get your content. So those are my top 2 recommended ways on how to start making a passive income online. I will have resources in the video below on the product that I use to make reoccurring passive income online and to host like my digital products that I make for people, and they pay me either a one-time fee or a monthly fee to get into my courses. So that is my recommendation to you guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please give me a like, a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And that's it, everyone. I will see you guys on the next video.